Guys! Today I want to show you how to make Leeti, which is a sweet soup often served for breakfast or as an appetizer in Afghanistan. Now it really doesn't consist of a lot of ingredients, and before you do anything make sure to heat up the stove really well, because you want the flour to kind of boil as soon as it hits the oil. And you want to keep stirring this and never stop, because honestly it could burn really fast, and then you would have to start all over again, and no one wants to do that. Now you want it to kind of get brown like this before you put in the turmeric powder. And again, keep stirring the pot, because you really don't want this to burn, which you can easily do. But everything is all good as soon as we put in the water, because all you have to do is just mix it all up and really thin it out, because you don't want to have, you don't want the thickness of that flour left. You want it to basically be watery like this, all ready for the good ingredients as ginger and cardamom to get in. And these things are really good for your stomach, and in Afghanistan actually you often get Leeti as well when you're sick or on your period, so it's just really good for your stomach. And I'm usually really happy with a lot of walnuts in my Leeti, but you can, put in as few or as many as you want. And I also like it really sweet, so I often have 2 tablespoons of sugar in mine, but you can also have just 1. Now you want it to look like this when it's all finished, not too thick or not too watery. I hope you really liked it. Remember to subscribe and like. See you next Tuesday. Bye!